Okay, in this video, we're going to show how to quickly enter these in. Okay, we're going to clean this up. You X these out to eliminate the trades. Okay, so we've now cleaned that up. So what we're going to do is show a fast way to enter this whole game field in. Now, you're going to want to print these out when you enter the data entry. You're going to want to print this page out. You're going to, for each sport, you're going to want to print the point spreads, money lines. Okay, these are the money lines. You want to print that page out and highlight the pinnacle field. And then you're also going to want to print out the totals. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you each, but you're going to want to have these in your hand. But I'm going to show you manually how to do this. Now, this is just for the NFL, but it's easily duplicated for every other sport. Again, the only row we're looking at is pinnacle here. Okay, now NFL football spreads. That's where we are. NFL spreads. Okay, so what we're looking for is the spread. It was minus 106, minus 102. So we're going to enter in the two of these because we need two on each. Okay, so San Diego 2. San Diego was minus 102. The Oakland was minus 106 is what's showing here, as you can see, right here. Okay, so what we're going to do, instead of having to click them both, we're going to click all of these twice. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, if you have this printed out, you'll have it in your hand and you'll be able to enter these pay fields in much quicker. Okay, but I'm going to have to show you the screen now. Minus 106 and minus 102. So that what we're entering in is, to get the minus 102 down at San Diego, we have to enter a plus 102. We're also going to want a minus 100 at San Diego, so we're going to enter a minus 100. So what we're doing here is plus 102 to get that over there, leaving the plus 100 here. Now also we want for Oakland, we need a minus 106, as you can see right there. Okay? So what we're going to do is a plus 106 here. And we also want a minus 104. So we're going to enter a plus 104. We're doing them two better and two at the same price as the pinnacle line. Okay, now what we're entering in is the total. This is the total. Now, you would have all these pages printed out for maximum speed. Okay, totals. Pinnacle total, minus 108 for Oakland, the over, and minus 102. Okay, so the over, we want a minus 108 and a minus 106. We want a minus 102 and a minus 100 there. So we're going to enter for the under to get a minus 108 and a minus 106, because we want the 108 and we want two less than that. We're going to have to enter a plus 108 and a plus 106 from San Diego's side. So from the underside. So we're going to enter plus 108 here and plus 106 here. Okay, now on the underside, what we want to show, again, pinnacle, is minus 102 and plus 100. So from the Oakland side, we're going to enter a plus 102 and leave that 100. Now we come down to the money lines. These are not with the spread. These are just to win the game. The Oakland Raiders and San Diego Chargers money line. We're going to go, again, we would have this printed out by our side so we don't have to go back and forth. Here's money lines. Under the pinnacle bar, it's plus 325, and then we want a plus 320 because it's minus 325 and minus 320, then a plus 285 and a plus 280. So we're going to enter to get the the minus 325 and the minus 320, we're going to enter a plus 325 and a plus 320 from the Oakland side. So on this side, we don't want to scroll up, we want to enter it. Plus 325, plus 320. Okay? Then to show up on the Oakland side, we want a plus 285 and a plus 280. So we're going to put in a minus 285 and a minus 280 from the San Diego side. Minus 285, minus 280. And we're going to put in, for each plus and minus 7, we're going to enter in $700. Okay? So at this point, all you have to do is put in the 700, tab, 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 700, tab, 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 700, tab, 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 700, tab, and then for the over-unders, we want to put in 600, okay? 600. So what we're going to do is here, 600, tab, 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 600, tab, 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 600, tab, 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 600. Now, we're going to come to the money lines. In this section, we only want to put in 500. So, 500, tab, 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 500, tab, 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 500, tab, 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 500, tab. Then after we've got all of them filled in, we're going to hit submit and confirm. And the fields have been populated, as you can see. Now this is the beginning point, and then throughout the day we're going to come in and enter different numbers in here at 3-hour intervals, okay, based on looking at the SBR Forum Betting-Odds NFL. Now the same goes true for the other sports, and we can get to that when I do the one-on-one tutorial with you. But as you can see, you're going to want to print these pages out. There's the NFL that we're going to be doing. There's college football, which is basically the same but more teams, has the same fields, money lines, totals. Then there's NCAA basketball, which is not going to be available yet. And then there's NHL, which we're only going to do the money lines for. That's the money lines in the NHL, okay? And we're going to be doing Pinnacles Row. We don't care about these other ones, just Pinnacle. So that's the most meaty part of our tutorial. And that's the scenario. Thank you.